Hello everyone, I am Qiuqi Lu.
This competition design was completed in collaboration with team members Li Bo and Fan Shuyu from Yunnan Light and Textile Industry Vocational College in Kunming, China. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD in creative arts at University Malaysia Sabah under the supervision of Dr. Lilian and Dr. Victor. Today, I will be presenting research on innovative transformation of Wenshan Zhuang nationality modern design, reconstruction of traditional craftsmanship based on wearable art. Next, I will explain the innovative design of clothing in this study one by one from these 5 modules. On introduction, the Zhuang Buyi culture in Wenshan. Yunnan is rooted in the thousand-old Luoyue civilization. The article uses Zhuang brocade, silver jewelry, embroidery, and totems as carriers, and the clothing elements embody the ecological wisdom and aesthetic philosophy of the ethnic group, forming an important gene pool of Chinese multiculturalism. There are 3 challenges: the inheritance of clothing. First, weakened cultural identity and gaps in the inheritance of elements. Second, functional conflict between traditional stacked structures and modern lightweight requirements. Third, natural dyes pose unsustainable risks to heavy processes. However, the reconstruction of form and meaning, modular process restructuring to adapt intangible cultural heritage elements to exhibitions, establish a transformational wearable art mechanism. It's the purpose of the innovative design in this study. Materials and resources are elaborated from the following 3 aspects. 1. Extraction of head curve shape, taking the semicircular curve as the inspiration for strapless dress design, cleverly incorporating into the collar shoulders, making more modern and ethnic. 2. Topological innovation of traditional elements. Firstly, transform the Tong Dang Lu outer contour into cloud shoulders to enhance cultural design charm. Then, transform the pattern innovation into feather clouds, endowing modern vitality. In addition, the snake frog fish pattern is simplified into geometric lines and new techniques of cloth embroidery, making visually more attractive and artistically valuable. 3. Transformation of decorative focus, abstracting the design of silver jewelry patterns and pairing them with glossy pearls creates unique decorative effect, adding luxurious solemn temperament. Regarding methods, this study analyzes the traditional clothing culture of the Zhuang ethnic group through literature, digital resources, combining qualitative research and design practice to analyze element characteristics. Finally, from the perspective of 1. Symbolic topology, deconstruct clothing embroidery and pattern forms. 2. Using parametric design to achieve innovation in 3-dimensional cutting modules. 3. The ontology of craftsmanship integrates traditional and modern practices, forming 4-chain methodology of cultural decoding, design transformation, process verification. The design inspiration for this study based on the philosophy of traditional roots and modern spirit. Firstly, the style silhouette, drawing inspiration from nonlinear splicing. The traditional layered wearable design has been improved to be detachable. 2. Cross-cultural integration, the combination of Western popular trends and asymmetric tailoring. 3. Concrete expression of patterns, modern transformation of geometric lines from primitive totems. Secondly, combination of digital 3-dimensional printed fabric and soft toe fabric used to highlight the collision of rigidity and flexibility. Finally is color construction. The colors of Zhuang ethnic costumes originate from nature, such as red symbolizing passion and auspiciousness, black symbolizing solemnity and mystery, blue-green reflecting freshness. This time, 7 color tones are used, combinations to convey the reverence for nature in the transformation design. In terms of innovative design transformation applications, design 1, adopting topology combination of sloping shoulder structure and pleated skirt hem. The female body structure are reconstructed to achieve the coexistence of palace, aesthetics, and national symbols. Design 2, using one-piece short style as the carrier, with tassel silver like terraced water patterns, light shadows embedded in large trailing skirt, showcasing new starting point for wearable art. Design 3, the detachable cloud shoulder combined with embroidery PRL design and a tassel drape, achieving extension of the transformation from traditional to modern craftsmanship. Design 4 presents a visual effect of static to dynamic by simplifying combination of the Zhuang brocade pattern and the swaying rhythm of fishtail skirt. Practical design is the process of transitioning from traditional flat plate making to draping technique, utilizing standard parameters of human body models to modularize and innovate clothing structures. Please see the legend, step position and label the garment. Step 2, knead the folds according to design requirements. Step 3, adjust them according to the actual parameters. Step 4, the innovative design effect of garment is shaped to fit the human body dynamics. Next, the ontology of craftsmanship. Integrate the essence of skills and innovative practice. Break through the cognitive gap of traditional craft attributes and form modern transformation method of wearable art, of cultural decoding, design refactoring, and process verification. On conclusion, this study has successfully completed the transformation of integrating traditional costume elements with modern design through the practical verification of 4 innovative dresses, adopting pattern deconstruction, parameterized draping technique, and process integration to achieve contemporary expression of culturally diverse scene. The works combine symbolic topology and fashion philosophy, providing dual-track paradigm of technological empowerment, artistic reconstruction for non-living inheritance. It's worth noting that fashion design works that integrate Zhuang ethnic intangible cultural heritage techniques were showcased on stage of the 2025 China Graduate Fashion Week and also received special coverage from CCTV News. The study results of signify the recognition of international professional platform for the modernization innovation of ethnic clothing, contributing to social, cultural, and providing reference for its industrial development. That's all presentation. Thank you for listening.